Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how I wash my own hair at home. So this is going to be a very short tutorial. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to do that for more amazing content coming your way. So I'm going to show clips of the entire process, what it entailed, how long it took me to wash my hair, all that good stuff coming up. It's going to be a voiceover so that you guys can actually go through the process with me, from shampooing my hair all the way down to roller setting my hair. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Be sure to subscribe and leave me a very big thumbs up down below. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna have messy hair. We first have to detangle, then I'm going to use this shampoo and conditioner. So I decided to shampoo 3 times to make sure that I get out all the oils and dirt from my hair, because I was protective styling for about a month, so it was very dirty. Then when I decided that I was going to decondition my hair, you're going to see that in a bit, but I use my conditioner and my hair growth oil. I mix all of that up and then put that in my hair after shampooing. Afterward, you're going to go under the dryer. So after putting the deep conditioner in, I'm going to put a shower cap over it, then go under the dryer for 20 minutes. Yes, it was so hot in there. After I took it out, I decided to detangle it again to make sure that all the knots and tangles were out before I did my final rinse, because if you have any knots now, if you decide to wait later, it's going to be a mess when you rinse it. So after rinsing it out, I put a little bit of my leave-in conditioner. Unfortunately, I forgot to record that part, but the leave-in that I used was the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I just had a little bit left, so that is what I decided to use. And of course, I decided to use this WRAP&SET Mousse by ORS olive oil, and I decided to put that all over my hair and begin to detangle. And we are done. Now moving on to roller setting. So I'm not a professional. I'm not really good at this, but you detangle from the bottom, and then I used a brush roller, and then I rolled it under and then put the pin in it. Not bad, right? So I was able to do my entire head. After 2 hours, it was not completely dry, but it was late and it was time for bed. But my results are pretty good. Look at that. Yes. I was feeling all cool over here, I'm telling you. I was so proud of myself. But it was time to go to bed, so I decided that I'm going to wrap my hair around 4 Flexi cords to go to bed, so that the next morning I can have beautiful bouncy curls to wear to work. Again, just run my fingers through it and then grab the little portion of, I split my hair into 4, so into 4 sections, and then for each section I split it into 2 using the horseshoe method. Yes, the horseshoe method. I wrap it around it, and yes, don't be afraid if you fail a couple of times. It's not easy to do, so be gentle with yourself. If you make a couple of mistakes, it's not a big deal. I didn't want perfect curls anyway. I just wanted something to keep my hair intact whilst I went to bed. So that was my focus throughout this entire thing, and it was a struggle because it's not as easy as it looks, but yes, it was quite interesting doing this myself. So I did the right bottom side first, and then I moved on to the right top part. Then I decided to repeat that on the other side of my head. So if you haven't subscribed, now is a great time to subscribe for more amazing content coming your way. So in case I forgot to mention, I was actually 16 weeks post relaxer over here, so I had quite some new growth, but I'm waiting till relaxer day. I actually can't wait to relaxer day. So yeah, but I was actually proud of myself. Just an FYI, I'm hosting a free workshop at the Accra weekend market. So you have to follow me on Instagram to see the full details of the location, where it's going to be, and it's free to attend. So I hope I see more of you guys this weekend, this exact Saturday. Now let's get right back into the tutorial. And we are all done. So I went to bed with this, and the next morning, voila, beautiful bouncy curls. Yes, honey. And the volume decided to just come all the way through. I didn't have a lot of products in here, so when I took it down, I just rubbed a bit of my hair with oil all over my hands, and then I ran that through my hair to give it some extra shine and luster as well. I was so proud of myself for doing this. Have you ever washed your own hair at home before? How did it go? Let me know down below. Also, do you guys like more content like this? Let me know down below. So now I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who are subscribed to my channel. It means so much to me whenever I come and I see that new people have subscribed. I love engaging with your comments and your questions, all of it. I'm so appreciative. We are currently at 1,972 subscribers. I'm immensely grateful. So these were the final results. I'm so glad. If you like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and click here to watch another video.